What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing these packages right here. I don't really know what's inside, but they kind of look like clothing, so let's get right into it. Come on. It's like those other ones, like so hard to open. I can just rip it. You could just do that. So apparently, oh, it's a tube, like black tube for winter. Like winter is coming up, guys. So yeah, and like the logo, you guys can see it. It is a baseball team. I think my dad was a fan of this baseball team. I'm pretty sure because he had a lot of hats like this. I'll show you guys it one more time. There's nothing really in the background, it's just the same thing. So let's move on to the next one. I'm gonna do this one. Okay, there's a couple things in here, so I'm just gonna do it one by one. There's a toque. Right here. It is my toque, so now I have two. Because I just got one from like the other unboxing. Like it's like a greenish, bluish one. Bad, nothing really on it. I think this is mine. Okay, this is mine, guys. Ooh, this looks sick. I like this. I actually really like this. I feel like it's pretty big. Actually, nah, it's not that big. It can fit me. So. Maybe I'll use this for my picture day because I have picture day coming up soon. So yeah, there's nothing really in it. It's like plain. It's like kind of my other ones. It's kind of the same. So I got that. Let's go to this one. I feel like this one is for my dad, and then like this one is for my mom. So I'm just gonna do this one. Because like I had a pack for myself, and then my mom or dad is probably gonna have one too. So sticky. Like bro, why is this thing so sticky? Okay. So apparently two, I don't know what this is, for Golden State. Yeah, it is. Okay. Golden State Warrior, and it's Adidas. We're not sponsored, by the way, guys. So I'm just saying. Yeah, it's Adidas, and yeah. I used to love Golden State. I used to like watch a lot of basketball teams. So yeah, it's pretty cool design. I'm pretty sure this is for my mom's right here. So yeah, move on to this one. Oh my god. Alright, never mind. So I do it from here, guys. This is like, I feel like this one is like, that has like a little bit more fragile or whatever, because like this one is very hard to get out. So, wait, let me see. You know what? I'm just gonna maybe that was easy. Whatever. I think this is for my dad because since it's bigger. Okay, this is my dad's. Pretty sure we have the same one. Oh no, Under Armour. It's one of my favorite brands. I like Adidas and Under Armour and Nike. So it's like kind of the same one as mine. A little Under Armour logo. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the final and the biggest box. Right. This one's a little bit more easy. Maybe. I feel like every big a package like this, like it's way easier. So I'm just gonna do the same one. Okay. It's not like it. And there's like a jacket in here. I think this is for me. This is my winter jacket. Yeah. I actually really like the colors. This is like my favorite colors. I got blue, black, and green. I actually really like it. It's a pretty cool color. And thanks Mom and Dad for picking me this. I actually really like it. I like the pants and this one too. Yeah, it's actually really cool. We're almost ready for winter. We just need like those winter pants and boots, and we should be ready for winter 2020 when it actually comes. And guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell that you never miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys on next time. Peace.